guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to share with you my top 6 red lipsticks. For reference, MAC MC37 is a perfect match for me. All these lipsticks are from different brands and I have been using most of them for a really long time. I will be speaking about their formula and also show you how they look on my lips. So without wasting any more time, let's dig right in. The first lipstick is from the L'Oreal Paris Signature Matte Liquid Lipstick range and it's in the shade I Am Worth It. The formula is pretty lightweight and the texture is liquid matte. These lipsticks are quite watery and they do take a while to dry down completely, but once they do, they will stay on your lips for the whole day. Even when they fade, they will leave a very nice tint on your lips. They are very comfortable on the lips as the formula is very thin and you will not feel like you're wearing anything on your lips. It's very different from the other liquid matte lipsticks I own, but they do take their own sweet time to dry down completely and that's a minor drawback for me. This is priced at 650 rupees, but you can definitely grab it when there is a sale going on. The second one is from Faces Canada Intense Matte range in the shade Scarlet. Now this is an orangish red or coral red color which is very different from the other reds which I'm going to show you today. The texture is creamy and it dries down to a very comfortable smooth and satin finish. It glides on really easily on the lips and it is pretty pigmented. You don't have to go over and over for the color payoff. I have multiple shades in this range and they are my favorite lipsticks for daily use. I absolutely adore them. They are no drama lipsticks, one and done types, and I bought this one for 799 rupees and again they are not transfer proof but they aren't that creamy that बहुत easily निकल जाए. Then I have Mishti from the Matte to Last range from Nykaa. This is a beautiful pinkish red color which looks really pretty. This also has a liquid matte formula which is very thin and it takes around 30 to 40 seconds to dry down completely. But once it dries, it will stay on your lips for a really long time. This one is a transfer proof lipstick but it's not smudge proof. This one is once again very comfortable on the lips, almost doesn't feel like you're wearing anything on the lips. It is priced at 599 rupees which is very affordable, and do try out the other shades from this range, you will love them. Moving on to another lipstick from Nykaa, it's their Mattelicious Lip Crayon in the shade Call Me Scarlet. I got this one recently and this is such a beautiful deep red color. I tried it on the moment it got delivered and it looked absolutely gorgeous. And the most important thing about this one is that it looked great even though I was not wearing any makeup. It's a lip crayon, as you can already tell. It glides on effortlessly and it applies very smoothly on the lip. It has a comfortable matte formula, as in once it dries it will look matte but your lips won't feel dry. Again, this is not a transfer proof lipstick and I got this one for 699 rupees. Then we have the shade Boss from the Smashbox Always On Liquid Lipstick range. This is such a beautiful color and it is gonna complement a lot of different skin tones. The only problem which I faced with this one is that it dries down really quickly in the bottle. Other than that, it's just great. Smashbox has been killing it, creating unique shades, may it be Gulabe, Stepping Out, Driver Seats and a lot more. They have nailed the formula as well. They are ever so slightly drying on the lips, but that's the case with all the liquid matte lipsticks. Just remember, you have to prep your lips really well before using these lipsticks. It dries quickly on your lips so you don't have to wait. A full-size Boss lipstick retails for 2100. I know it's a little pricey because Smashbox is a high-end brand. I got this one in the mini size but I don't remember the price exactly. I think I paid somewhere around 1000 bucks. I have saved the best one for the last and it's from none other than MAC Cosmetics. This shade is Dance With Me and it is from their Retro Matte Liquid Lipstick range, which is my all-time favorite lipstick. This is a nice maroon red color which complements almost the entire Indian skin tone spectrum. And this is my go-to shade when I'm doing my clients and it looks good on everybody. I have also used this shade on ton of my brides and they absolutely love it. The pigmentation of all Retro Matte Liquid lipsticks is as close to perfection as it gets. They are one swipe and done lipsticks. They dry immediately on your lips and stay on throughout the day. This one is priced at 2200 and it is worth every penny. So that's a wrap for today's video. I hope you liked it, and if you did then please give this video a big thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. I will see you soon in my next video. Until then, take care. Bye.